FitLab Pittsburgh podcast, back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Today's tip is make time for maintenance for your body. We all know our cars need regular service. We get our oil changed, we get our tires rotated. We need to take the same time and care for our bodies. So I've had a nagging shoulder pain going on for the last couple of months. Today I finally did something about it. I went to see Dr. Pete Thomas. He's a chiropractor and athletic trainer in the Friendship area, the east end of Pittsburgh. And Dr. Thomas gave my body a thorough assessment, looked at both shoulders, how they were functioning, and was able to give me some relief just from the soft tissue work and give me some homework exercises to help keep the area moving and keep my body functioning as it should. So whatever you've got going on, even if everything's going well, that's actually probably a good time to get a movement assessment. But certainly if you've got some aches and pains kind of bugging you, take some time and put in some work to do some maintenance for your body. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.